In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make evil in Infinite Craft. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your device. On your canvas, go ahead and drag two winds on your canvas. Now, once you combine two winds, you'll be able to get a tornado. Go ahead and drag another tornado in your canvas and combine it with a tornado and you'll get a hurricane. Now combine the hurricane with another tornado and you'll get a tsunami. Combine the tsunami with another tornado and you'll get a distraction. Combine two distractions together and you'll get an explosion. Now combine the distraction with the explosion and you'll get chaos. Combine distraction with chaos and you'll get evil. And that is how you can create evil in Infinite Craft. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. And if there are other recipes that you want me to create a video of, don't forget to comment it down below. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.